की जय। डिवाइन ग्रेस ऐसे भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। डिवाइन ग्रेस होली नरेश अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 श्रीमद् भागवतम फर्स्ट कैंटो फर्स्ट श्लोका। जन्माद्यस्य यतोन्मयादित् करतश्चार्देष्वभिघ्नः स्वराट् तेने ब्रह्म हृदय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजोवारि मृदां यथा धीमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकम् सत्यं परं धीमहि। भावम भाष्यम एसी भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। O my Lord, Sri Krishna, son of Vasudeva, O all-pervading personality of Godhead, I offer my respectable obeisances unto you. I meditate upon Lord Sri Krishna because He is the absolute truth and the primeval cause of all causes of creation, sustenance and destruction of the manifested universes. He is directly and indirectly consciousness of all manifestations, and He is the independent because there is no other cause beyond Him. It is He only who first imparted the Vedic knowledge unto the heart of Brahmaji, the original living being. By Him, even the great sages and demigods are placed into illusion, as one is bewildered by the illusionary representations of water seen in fire or land seen on water. Only because of Him do the material universes, temporarily manifested by the reactions of the three modes of nature, appear factual, although they are unreal. I therefore meditate upon Him, Lord Sri Krishna, who is eternally existent in the transcendental abode, which is forever free from the illusionary representations of the material world. I meditate upon Him, for He is the absolute truth. Okay. Let us have invocation prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Pradamahyam Dadati Samadantikam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yudapadakamlam Shri Guru Vaishnavamsa Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Jaganaraganadanritam Sanchetam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Chaitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Saranat Raghunathantam He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dina Bandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Saptakanchana Gaurani Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishvanusude Devi Pranamami Haripriye Kalpatarubhesha Rupa Sindhubhya Vacha Patitanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudire Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Nuttam Shloke Bhakte Bhavati Naishtiki. Why is loud? Oh my Lord, so what did he say? Did you understand something? Here it is started with prayers. Oh my Lord, Sri Krishna. So first, generally, what you heard about the prayers, when we do prayer with Krishna, there will be 4 points. First, we glorify Krishna. Praise, glorify is correct word. We first glorify the Lord. Next,
We
we speak about ourselves, our degradation level. We are very, degraded life. We are very, very degraded life. I am this much very, bad fellow like Jagai Madai. Like that, we degrade ourselves. After that,
After we should ask something about spiritual.
that is fourth, and third one is, there are four. Okay. Last one is prayer. There is one thing third. Okay, I will tell later. Oh, all pervading personality of Godhead. Pervading personality means here Krishna is everywhere as Vishnu Tattva. Vishnu means all pervasive. He is there every atom of the universe. Such a personality of Godhead Krishna, I offer my respectable obeisances unto you, my Krishna. So this is the meaning. I meditate upon Lord Krishna because why I should meditate on Lord Krishna? He is the supreme, absolute truth, and primeval cause of all causes of the creation, sustenance and destruction. So CMD. Every company will have one CMD, chairman cum management director. Here, total universe CMD is Lord Krishna. What is that? Creation, maintenance and destruction. How he creates, maintains and destructs? By expanding into the many avatars. For example, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. They are all Guna avatars. So CMG. Okay. He is directly and indirectly consciousness of all manifestations. Okay. Here manifestations means like material universe and spiritual abodes of many Vaikunthas and Goloka. He is aware of all the manifestations directly and indirectly. And he is independent because there is no other cause beyond him. Here two things explained are cause of all causes. Did you remember something about this? Cause of all causes?
Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam.
Sarva Karana Karanam. Yeah, that is again in Telugu. Cause of all causes means if you see something, there will be one cause, reason. It doesn't mean that Krishna will do every action directly on the field. For example, children will be there, parents will be there. The primary cause is parents. But ultimate cause is, the next level cause will be like, Brahma and all those things. But who is the cause of Brahma also? Krishna and Vishnu. Like that, ultimately the reason for every part of creation is Krishna. Cause of all causes. Reason for all reasons. Okay? Nothing is there without Krishna. Okay? Because there is nothing beyond him. It is he who first imparted the basic knowledge unto the heart of Brahma. Yes, right? When creation started first from the navel of Vishnu, okay, Brahma appears. Okay, and Brahmaji is the original living, the first original living, from whom the next level of creation starts. By him, even the great sages and demigods are placed into illusion. Okay. By him means who? Here, Brahma or Krishna? Krishna. Here, word used as by him, because it's continually explaining about Krishna. Maybe if we do not concentrate, what you will think? Oh, by him, Brahma. No, Brahma will not create any illusion. Brahma is also one entity, but super entity than us. But his job is to create a praja. Okay. So Krishna, what Krishna will do? He will keep all the jivas into the illusion. But it depends. All jivas will be, will not be at the same level of illusion. It depends on the level. But it can be a spiritual or a material. Okay. The original living and. As one is bewildered by the illusionary representations of water seen in the fire or lands in the water, on the water. And it is given an example. How people are put into the illusion. First of all, illusion means something we feel it is there, which is not.
Yes.
Example, here two examples are quoted in this sloka itself. What is that? Water seen in the fire and land seen on water. Actually, do water exist in the fire to drink?
No.
No. But if you see the smoke, you feel like there is some water, right? There is some water. But can you drink?
No.
What is this? It is an imaginary illusion.
Illusion.
You feel there is something, but which is not there. And the second one is land seen on water. If you see the sea, sea, you can feel, long distance there is a land. Okay, we can go and construct a house. But if you go on, walk, there will be water only. You cannot find any land. What happening? Your eyes are cheating. That is illusion. In this way, like these two examples, all jivas are put into illusion. That is called as illusion. Illusion means something you feel this is true, but that is not true. What every jiva is thinking, I am this body. Is that true? No, that is one of the big illusion. Big illusion is that one. Okay. And only because of him, again what? Who is him? Krishna, not Brahma. Because before this line, it is explained about Brahma. So that's why we should say him. No. Do the material universes temporarily manifested by the reactions of the three modes of nature appear factual. So again, it is said that the temporary manifestation of these universes appear to be true. Because of whom? Lord Krishna. Although they are unreal. Here unreal means what? Actually exactly the meaning would be is what I said. Unreal means?
It's illusion.
Temporary.
Temporary.
Actually we should understand as temporary. Okay? Because see, I can see this book. Okay? I can see my body. This body, is it real or not?
Yes.
It's real only, but
temporary.
Real means we should understand in that sense. Okay? And I therefore meditate upon him, Lord Sri Krishna, who is eternally existent in the transcendental abode. That's why I pray Lord Krishna, and which is forever free from the illusionary representations of the material world. I meditate upon him, for he is the absolute truth. So here you can summarize as Krishna. For Krishna there is nothing equal to or greater than. Okay? Prishtigarbhi, when she meditated upon Lord Krishna, Krishna appeared to them. So what do you want? Krishna asked. Then Krishna asked. Then Pushti, right? Pushti, the first time, three before Vamana, Krishna given boon to become son. Is that? Pushti, Vasudeva, Yashoda, what's that?
Yashoda,
Devaki, and
Devaki was
and
there.
between Vamana, mother of Vamana, Aditi.
Diti.
Two confusion. Okay. Then she asked, "Hey Krishna, I want a son like you." Right? What do you want? Tell me, I will give you a boon. I want a son like you. She did not ask Krishna to come personally. But she asked, I need a son like you. But what Krishna has said, hey mother, you said you want a son like me, but I don't know that nobody is there like me. I means equal to her Asama Udva, we call it. Asama Udva. Asama plus Udva. Means Asama means Sama means equal, Asama means not equal. Nobody is there. No, everybody is Asama for me. And Urdhva. Nobody is there, Urdhva, upper. Then what should I do? If I have to fulfill your desire, I should only come to you as a son. Okay, no problem. I am granting you this desire. I will come as a son to you. So accordingly, he has come 3 times as son to couple. Okay. Purport. Yeah. First para. Read. Krishna read.
Obeisances unto the personality of Godhead Vasudeva directly indicate Lord Sri Krishna, who is the divine son of Vasudeva and Devaki. This fact will be more explicitly explained in the text of this work. Sri Vasudeva asserts herein the Sri Krishna is the real personality of Godhead, and all others are his direct or indirect plenary portions or portions of the portion. Srila Jiva Goswami has even more explicitly explained the subject matter in his Krishna Sandarbha.
Parents there? Krishna Sandarbha. Yeah, okay. So, what is said here? What did you understand? Vishnu? So again, we are obeisances, okay, to indicate Lord Krishna, and he is the divine son of Vasudeva and Devaki. And you can see this fact in the detail in the text of this work and going forward. This Vasudeva, what's the said? Assets here in the Krishna is the original personality of Godhead. You can see even in the in the coming verses as Krishna's to Bhagavan Swayam, Krishna, and all others are his direct or indirect plenary portions of the Krishna. See, anything, whether it be Krishna or if you want to believe something in your material world also, how do you believe this is true? As I said, one of the classes earlier in Halya. Did you remember anyone? See, if something, for example, about Corona score, how many people died in India or our local area? What is the method of knowing? First, generally, our friends will tell. Okay, that is one method, right? One friend will come here, today local our score is so this many people died, this many. But one person is saying, no, so far around 100 people in our local area died. No. We have a newspaper. In the newspaper, on the local section will be there. In that local section, they said it is a 85. Between these two, what is the correct one to believe? Newspaper. Now, if you see in the total, another newspaper in the main paper, that score it says as 90. Now, which one is prevailing? Which is the Tamil? 90, because it's one more thing. Because on the main paper, it is given. Now, in the one more English newspaper, it's a national newspaper, it is given as 75. Of course, generally it doesn't happen. I'm just giving example. Okay. Now, what should be the correct?
75.
Why? Because the famous and trust is the criteria to believe. It's not that I speculate something, you speculate something, you speculate something that is true. No. Likewise, if you apply the same example, if you have to determine the God who is Supreme Personality of Godhead, you cannot speculate, I cannot speculate, you cannot speculate. It should be affirmed, confirmed by the respective perfect authority. Who is that authority? The great sages who crossed this material platform, who are beyond the weaknesses of our senses, like Vasudeva, Parashara Muni, and many great sages like Narada, many are there. So, for example, if some way a normal devotee is saying something who is a Kanishta, and if you observe the differences between the X and Y Z, many people are saying many things, then what should be the final? The thing which is confirmed by Vasudeva, because it is, some people may think, in the Bhagavad Gita what is said? Krishna said, Aham Sarvasya Prabhava, I am the reason for everything, right? Some people, like, adamant people or Nastika or semi-understanding people, what they will say, for example, Krishna is talking about himself because everybody will tell greatly about them only. Generally, I will explain about myself great only. He will talk greatly about yourself, right? Like that, Krishna is talking, is telling about himself. Why should I believe, right? Some people will say, who is not having good sukrita, who is not a pious person, they cannot believe. So for that person, this is the example. One should, Kanishta or Madhyama, anybody, they should believe the highest authority, the one who is coming in the Guru Parampara. Okay? That is the main thing. So now, this Bhagavatam confirms Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Bhagavatam confirm means who is writing here, who is given? Srila Vyasadeva. Srila Jiva Goswami has even more explicitly explained the subject matter in his Krishna Sandarbha. So about this, so we have concluded here so far. So Srila Jiva Goswami also explained extensively and explicitly about this concept in this book called Krishna Sandarbha. And Brahma, the original living being, has explained the subject of Sri Krishna sustainability in his treatise named Brahma Samhita. So here, what is said here, 2 points. As I said, one example, different newspapers, okay, and there will be, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 English, national newspapers are, for example, telling the same concept, 70 scores. You should believe that. There cannot be something behind. And there will be some more newspaper international, for example. Like that, if newspapers are talking something about the same way, we should take that information as the final, not the one what we we speculate or what we assume or our friends assume or what you read here and by there. No, we cannot trust. Like here, what is said? Brahma explained in the Brahma Samhita, and Sri Jiva Goswami also explained this subject matter in Krishna Sandarbha. What subject matter? Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Asamotva. Okay. In an Upanishad, in the Samaveda, it is also stated that Sri Lord Krishna is the divine son of Devaki. Okay. And in this purport, Prabhupada is also telling, in Samaveda also, it is said, as who is supreme personality? Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, who is son of. See, here one thing very, son of Devaki, Krishna is the supreme personality. See, can you tell me why son of Devaki should have been used? We can also write simply Krishna, Sri Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Instead, son of Devaki, Sri Krishna, as explained. Why? Can you explain any reason, assumption, speculation? Here, son of Devaki, Krishna is the supreme personality. Without using son of Devaki also, we can say, even in many places, we can say son of Devaki, Yashodanandana is supreme personality. Why that Yashodanandana or son of Devaki should be used? Because some people means like Nastik, atheist, all these things, they will say, are semi-believers. They come into the little spiritual, they say all gods are same, any god you worship, it is same. Some people, semi-understanding. If you don't use the Yashodanandana word, the rascals, few people, what they will say, there is a Paundraka Vasudeva. There may be one person, say, his name is Krishna Teja. For example, if your name is Krishna Teja, if your name is Sri Krishna, the person will say, yeah, Krishna means, yeah, this Krishna only, supreme personality of Godhead. What can you say? It is difficult, no? There are many people who may take that name, their parents may give as a Krishna, Sri Krishna, Paundraka Vasudeva, right? We have one past name, right? Paundraka Vasudeva. Who take Veshabhushan, everything like Sri Krishna. I am Paundraka Vasudeva. But he will not become Yashodanandana, right? Right? You understand? If you use here Devaki, son of Devaki, if 100 people will have Sri Krishna name, but they will not be son of Devaki. So it is a further detailed explanation of what Sri Krishna name I am referring to. I am not referring to the Paundraka Vasudeva, I am not referring to the Krishna Teja, I am not referring to the Sri Krishna who has also named so and so place like. Maybe there may be people who has the name, but he will not become the original Supreme Personality of Godhead. So for that detailing purpose, it will be used. That is one of the reasons. Okay. Therefore, in this prayer, the first proposition holds that Lord Sri Krishna is the primeval Lord. Primeval Lord means? Primeval Lord means Adi, the primary. Okay. Next, and in
And if any transcendental
nomenclature
is to be understood as belonging to the absolute personality of Godhead, it must be the name indicated by the word Krishna, which means the all attractive. In Bhagavad Gita.
Wait, okay. Here, what is it? If any nomenclature, if anything, any subject, if you want to understand, that belongs to absolute personality of Godhead. Absolute personality of Godhead means the one who is at the last of the authorities. Many authorities will be there. You know, the one last absolute. There is nothing beyond him. That is absolute personality. What should be? It must be the name indicated by the word Krishna. It is because there will be thousands, unlimited names of Lord. Right? Krishna means all attractive. Prabhupada says, Krishna means all attractive. If you have to give a name to absolute personality of Godhead, that is Krishna, which is perfectly that is called as attractive all. Next.
In Bhagavad Gita, in many places, the Lord asserts himself to be the original personality of Godhead, and this is confirmed by Arjuna and also by great sages like Narada, Vyasa, and many others.
Right. Okay. So this is very important. A few minutes back, as I said, in Bhagavad Gita, also Krishna said, "I am the supreme." Right? Not in one place. Many places you can see that I am the supreme. Nobody is there behind me. I am Asamaudva. You surrender unto me. Manmanama bhamrit bhakto. Aham sarvasya prabhu. If you see like this, many verses you can find. But one envious person may say that because he is talking, he wants to tell greatness about himself. That's why he is telling. To come out of this narrow understanding, it is continued that Arjuna also confirmed that, hey Krishna, what is that slokam? Param Dhamma, Param Krishna, what is that? Param Brahma, Param Dhamma, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan. Many things, 4 verses it is explained. And also Asito Devalo Vyasa. It's not my Krishna. Swayam Preva Bhavich means, hey Krishna, you are the Parandhama, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I know. Not only myself, Asito, Devalo, Vyasa, Swayam, and all these sages, the great sages also explain the same thing. That you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And Swayam Chaiva Bhavichime, now you are also telling the same thing. Why this is said? Some people, the so-called rascals, may say that Krishna is telling about his Dabba. He is explaining his self-greatness. Many people are like this. No. Apart from this, Arjuna confirmed, many sages also confirmed that. That is important here. You want to read? Yeah. In
Padma Purana, yeah. It is also stated that out of the
innumerable
names of the Lord, the name of Krishna is the principal one.
Okay. Here, Prabhupada is referring to